let's start from GBP, JPY. This is the first interesting pair that I believe you should be following. Now, if you remember from my previous analysis on this pair, which by the way, you will find linked in the description, so I suggest you also go and check it out. What did I say? I said from this area, okay, so from this previous support here, now to resistance, we definitely want to see the market make a move back to the downside and go and reach the neckline to complete this W formation. And that is something that you want to see every time that you have a W formation. You want to see the market go and reach the neckline. But what is next? Where is the next potential capitalizing opportunity for GBP, JPY? Now, clearly from a weekly perspective, this area here is strong support. Why? Because it's the completion zone of the W formation. So the previous resistance now turned support at this area. And from here, we definitely want to see the market show us a move to the upside. We go down on the daily, and what we can notice on the daily, a rejection has already started. However, this retracement was a little bit too strong. Okay, if you want to see an impulse, the correction should be slower than the impulse, while in this case the correction is more or less the same strength as the impulse. So seeing the market creating a higher high is not something that we will probably see. But there are better things that we can be looking at on GBP JPY as possible developments from this situation. For example, the market from here definitely should try to make a move to the upside. At that point, what happens most of the times if you have a strong retracement is that the continuation to the upside fails. In that case, what the market will create is a daily M formation. If this situation will present itself in the market, then what we will be doing, this weekly structure will be broken to the downside, and we can expect the market to go and retest it, considering the fact that we will also have an M formation. So at that point, what we will be doing with students, we will first be waiting for the market from a 4-hour perspective to shift from bearish to bullish, and then we will be waiting for the market to provide to us one of our valid entries for a nice long situation, nice long position, and then again from this structure that was previous support here, now to resistance at this area, we will be looking for a nice shorting opportunity for the continuation to the downside and creation of a lower low. Now, if from here the market is already satisfying your rules for a long, you can also be capitalizing on this move to the upside. But for us, it's not satisfying our rules at the moment, so we won't be looking for the rejection from this support, because considering our rules, the market can easily just continue to the downside and break the structure to the downside, because we still have very strong bearish momentum, considering that the retracement is stronger than the impulse. So we need to see more development on GBP JPY, but it's definitely an interesting pair to follow. The market just completed the W formation that we wanted the market to complete. If you have watched my analysis and you capitalize on this move, great job. If not, be looking for this potential failed continuation to the upside, because after this M formation, if the market will create it, there is a nice longing opportunity and then a nice shorting opportunity to be looking at on this pair.